Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the coolest tools in the Delaverse playground, the SMS Node. This handy feature lets you send automated, personalized text messages to your audience, making it super easy to stay connected for marketing blasts, customer reminders, or quick follow-ups. Imagine boosting engagement without lifting a finger. It's a game changer for growing your community or business right from Delaverse. So, what makes the SMS Node so useful? It handles everything from simple alerts to customized messages using smart templates, all integrated seamlessly with your AI assistants. Whether you're notifying leads about offers or thanking customers, it saves time, personalizes communication, and helps you build stronger relationships, all while being reliable and scalable. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to your Delaverse playground, and from the right-hand menu, spot the SMS Node. Give it a fun title, like Marketing Buzz or Customer Nudges, and drag it into place after your AI assistant. Next, pop in your SMS API key, grab it from your provider, hit Test Connection to make sure it's good to go, and save. You're set! Let's break down the magic inside. First up, simple messages. Just type in a recipient's phone number, like +9 891 23 45 6789, and your message. Then click Send Test to see it in action. Perfect for quick promotions or reminders. For something more personalized, switch to templated messages. Create a template with placeholders like name or offer code. Choose SMS mode and let your AI fill in the details. Your AI assistant will handle the phone numbers and content, making every message feel one-on-one. No extra connections needed. The node sends directly. Keeping an eye on things? The SMS node shines with its built-in testing features. Send a test message to check delivery, and keep tabs on your runs through the logs to see success rates. This way, you know exactly how your messages are landing and can tweak for even better results. The real win? It's all about boosting your outreach without the hassle. Use it for lead nurturing to convert more prospects, or send event invites that drive attendance, all leading to happier customers and potentially more business. Plus, with personalized touches, your messages stand out, helping you grow your network effortlessly in Delaverse. Want to level up? Pro tip: always double-check your API key before going live and run those test messages to avoid surprises. Label your nodes clearly for easy management and make sure your AI outputs valid phone numbers, starting with +9A for local vibes and friendly Persian messages if that's your crowd. If you hit any limits, just reach out for support. For deeper insights, monitor those delivery logs to optimize your campaigns like a pro. In the end, the SMS node empowers you to communicate smarter, not harder, streamlining your efforts and sparking real connections. Dive in, experiment, and watch your Delaverse experience level up. Who's ready to send their first message? Share your wins in the comments.